Why we should eat papaya often. Let me tell you about the nutritional benefits of papaya and the reasons to consume it regularly. Supports digestion. Papain, an enzyme in papaya, aids in protein digestion and prevents constipation. Strengthens the immune system. Rich in vitamin C, papaya helps fight infections and boosts immune health. Provides antioxidants. Contains beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which combat cellular aging and protect against diseases. Reduces the risk of heart disease. Papaya is rich in fiber, potassium, and antioxidants that support heart health. Helps regulate blood pressure. Its potassium content counteracts the effects of sodium and helps maintain stable blood pressure. Fights inflammation. Flavonoids and papain in papaya have anti-inflammatory properties. Supports weight management. Low in calories and high in fiber, it helps maintain